The GH5 has numerous function buttons located all over the top and back of the body. Now these buttons, function buttons, are pre-programmed at the factory, but you can set them to almost anything you want. There's two ways to change the settings of these function buttons. One is to go into the menu. So if I push Menu Set and I go to the Custom Wrench, I go to Operation, and I go to page 3 of 6, Function Button Set, I can set them to be either something different in the record or the play mode. I'm going to choose the record mode. Now the nice thing about doing it here is you get to see a diagram of the top and back of the camera, and you can see exactly which button you're changing. Now there is an easier way to do this if you want to change one quickly in the field. That is, let's say I want to change function button 2, FN2. All I do is hold the button down for 3 seconds and it brings up all the different choices of things I can assign to that function button. I choose that new thing, and now the function button has been reassigned. Now, one thing to keep in mind here, if you do this and you get confused about what function button you've changed to what, you can go back in here and you can restore them to their defaults, to the factory defaults that we set them to in the first place. So either one of these methods does the same thing, but it allows you to totally program all these function buttons on the camera.
Panasonic.